Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome to CAP classes. So today, CA Intermediate and CA Final results have been announced by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So the moment results are announced, there will be two categories of people. One category, they will contact faculty and they say, sir, we are extremely happy because of you, we cleared the exams, your mentoring program or your classes or your motivation helped a lot. So this is one category who are successful. Usually they come with this kind of messages. And the other category is, sir, I couldn't clear examination this time. So I got so many marks, like, I got 30, 35, 40. I couldn't clear in aggregate. So I do not know where I did a mistake. When I wrote the exam, I was confident. I have put good efforts this time. I worked hard. So this is one category. This, I have been seeing for the last 10, 15 years. Surprisingly, today, I have got more positive response than those students who said, sir, we failed. So the positive response is also proportional. If you look at the proportions, it is too good. I really do not know why. Then I have got this statistics from ICI website, which says that at CA final level, group 2, 31.43% of the students cleared, which I consider personally is huge is huge. Normally, anything, at final level, something between 10, 15 is considered to be good. Intermediate level, something like 20 is considered to be good. Foundation level, something like 25% pass percentage is considered to be good. This is like a norm. Okay, over a period we have observed. So this is how the trend normally is. But if you look at this at CA intermediate level, Group 1, 1,781 students wrote the exam, 19,103 students passed. That means 19% approx. Group 2, 81,956 students wrote the exam, 19,208 passed. That means 23.44%, approx 24% or 23%, you can say. 23% students cleared the exam, which is decent. I'm not saying this is too good or too bad. So this is a kind of neutral. And both the groups, 10.24% of students cleared, which is considered to be good. Then comes our final examination. These are the numbers. Final group 1, 12% of the students cleared. Group 2, 31.43% of the students cleared. So if you look at the route map, if you look at the stages, normally in final also, students write group 1. After that, when they clear group 2, it is like, they cleared the milestone, they have become qualified chartered accountant. So if we assume that all these 19,048 students cleared group 1 earlier, which we do not know, then there are almost 20,000 chartered accountants released into the market in this 6 months, which is actually very good. So there has been a lot of, I don't say negativity, I say some kind of confusion, ambiguity created because of the new syllabus, because of the IIA, because of the changes in the policies, because of the evaluation. So many students started expressing their concern. But I can tell you overall one thing. Okay. I have seen a syllabus change in 2003. I have seen a syllabus change in 2006. I have seen a syllabus change in probably somewhere 11, 12, then 2016, and then this 2023. So that means since I enrolled as a student in chartered accountancy course, till today, if we observe, I have seen maybe probably 4, 5 times syllabus change. Whenever there is a change in the syllabus or a change in the system, change in this, scheme of education by ICI, there will be concern because change management is very difficult for any individual, organization, or institution. Change management is very difficult. People, usually easily cannot embrace the change. But I'll tell you one thing, okay? Look at the positive side of it. If you have two options, then you can choose option 1 or option 2. When you do not have any option, then how can we, analyze whether this particular thing change is good thing or bad thing? We can do that. But what I am saying is, as an obedient or humble student, if I am the student, I'm telling you, I'm not guiding you, I'm not asking the students to do that, but I'm telling you what I would have done in a situation where if I'm the student and there is a change. I'll take it positive. I'll look at the positive side of it and I'll proceed further. One good news is, in the new system, in the new scheme, instead of 8 papers, you'll have to write only 6 papers. So the number of papers came down. And the syllabus also, in some of the papers, some chapters they deleted, there are some plus minus and all. Accounting, it was earlier 2 papers in CA intermediate. Now it is only 1 paper. In group 1, they introduced advanced accounting, and in group 2, there is no accounting. And then there are certain papers which were considered to be difficult by the students, like information technology, enterprise information systems, economics. These kind of subjects have been completely removed. So there are certain positive things in this also, in the new scheme of education also. So many students are asking me, Pavan sir, shall we write in November or no? My answer would be yes, 100% you need to write in November. Because, whenever there is a change in the system of, scheme of education by ICI, last 1-2 attempts, there is no guarantee as such. There is no guarantee. What I'm saying need not be true also. But we observed statistical data. We observed history. Whenever there is any new syllabus, last 1-2 attempts of old syllabus, they will give a better pass percentage, better question papers, they will not be mean. So this is what the observation is. So because this November 2023 CA intermediate and final exams are the last attempt for old syllabus, I suggest you not to miss the opportunity to write because of 2 reasons. Point number 1, you are accustomed to the paper, you are accustomed to the syllabus, you are accustomed to the examination pattern, and there is nothing new for you, because happily you can do what you have been doing. So you are in the existing system for a while. So just write another exam and there is no change for you in November 23 if you have already written inter or final, or if you have already registered for inter or final earlier. So my suggestion would be not to miss November exam. This is reason number 1. Reason number 1 is already you know the syllabus, already you know the examination pattern. There is no change for you and you are just doing what you have been doing. Okay, so to some extent, it will be your comfort zone. Point number 1. Point number 2, there is a possibility that pass percentage would be higher. There is a possibility that, exam paper, I do not say easier, but rather I say there will be no slaps or surprises in the questions, probably. Okay, there is a possibility for, that's it. So what I have observed is this results, May 2023 results are decent enough. They are good. November 2023 also, on the positive side, if you're looking at, if you're, transforming yourself into an optimist, which is very much required in CA curriculum. Okay, so I have seen patience is required in, chartered accountancy course, perseverance, never giving up attitude. These are required. There are certain students who question a lot, question the policy, question the syllabus, question the question paper, question the pass percentage, question the evaluation pattern. Even, I did at times. I'm not saying I have never done that. Okay, let me honestly tell you, I have done that. But having said that, by asking repeated questions like this, we will not be able to achieve anything. Maybe students will be positive to the faculty if faculty questions ICI. Okay, having said that, even your faculty's hands are tied up. They cannot do anything except speaking, because at policy level in ICI, there will be no stake for any faculty. For example, if I want to bring something, can I do it in ICI? The answer is absolutely no. Absolutely no. So I have seen positive side of this new syllabus. I request you, I suggest you also to see positive side of this syllabus and, proceed for November 2023 exams. As I have been doing for the last so many years, I will help the students with a study plan, with a mentoring program, and I'll come up with a series of videos to explain you how to crack a particular subject, subject-wise strategies, and a study plan for next 90 days. And then I'll give you a free examination plan, free exams, a test series and all I'll give you. So these kind of things I'll help the students with. I'll come with a series of lectures, and in our CAP classes application also, there will be so many free resources that will be given for the students. So please get the maximum benefit out of these free resources and sharpen your preparation. This is point number one. Point number two. If you are preparing for November exams, so many students say, Pavan sir, shall I get certified copy of my answer sheet or shall I apply for revaluation? You do whatever you want. You can do these things, but don't stop your preparation with an expectation that something will happen in, revaluation or recorrection or this certified true copies. So that is a simultaneous process. So I suggest students not to waste more time waiting for something to happen. Rather, start today. Today, it is 5th of July 2023. Start your preparation today. Or maybe if you want to take 1-2 days break, take 1-2 days break and start from 6th or start from 7th. Start from 8th of July, but not later. Don't postpone it beyond 7th or 8th. So have a proper study plan. Think, as I told you in the beginning of this video, that there are two categories of student. One, those who are successful in the exam. Two, those who are not successful. I'll tell you one thing, okay? This is what my father taught me. This is what my teachers taught me. This is what I taught to so many rankers, so many students who are in professional stream of, the CA, CWA examinations and all. Which is, if you are successful, don't take success to your head. Okay, no ons. We are just normal human beings. If you are successful, even if you are all India first ranker, don't take success to your head. If you fail in the exam, don't take it to your heart, because success is never permanent. Failure is never final. If you get success today, from tomorrow, if you are lazy, next time in the next exam or in any other part of life or other walk of life, there is a possibility that you will not be able to maintain the same success. So even when you are successful, you have to be humble, you have to be dedicated, you have to be, hardworking, never giving up attitude. All these things you need to maintain to continue success. Actually, getting success is easy. Continuing the growth, continuing the success is actually difficult. So you need to practice that. So if you are successful, try to understand success is not permanent. You need to work harder and harder to achieve higher things in life. If you fail in the exam, failure is never final. There is every possibility for you to, get a U-turn and to come back, turn around with, from this failure stage in the exams to getting good results with flying colors in the next attempt. So for everything in life, there is a second chance. So if you are unsuccessful, don't worry about it. Have a proper study plan, prepare well, write exams, and then crack November exams with flying colors. Okay. So again, I'm telling you, the results are maybe compared to few earlier attempts, the results this attempt I consider to be positive and better, not only in terms of pass percentages, looking at the numbers from ICI website, but also I have spoken with a lot of my own students who are very happy, who got results what they have expected, and some of them got the results what they have not expected. Also, they got more marks. Also, I have seen 80s, I have seen 70s. Especially in this advanced accounting paper, group 2 advanced accounting paper, I have seen huge marks in many of my students, 87, 86, 85, then 70s, then so many exemptions. So this is the positive side. So advanced accounting, some of the students consider it difficult, but even those kind of papers, if you are getting 70s, 80s, what, more we want. And another thing is this time, one funny incidents I'm telling you. Normally, you look at any results, whether it is CA or CMA for the last so many years, girls are topping the charts. This I just wanted to, for fun, okay, I just wanted to show this to you. This time, All India first rank, second rank, third rank in CA final May examination. All the three ranks are by male students. Boys got 77%, 75%, 71%. These three guys. One is Jain Akshay Ramesh, and then another one is Kalpesh, and then Prakhar Vashni from New Delhi. First one is from Ahmedabad, second one is from Chennai, third one is from New Delhi. So normally from Hyderabad, Guntur, Vijayawada also, so many ranks will be there. Jaipur and Mumbai also ranks will be there. So this time there are no these places. So it is Ahmedabad with All India rank 1, Chennai with All India rank 2, and New Delhi with All India rank 2. And intermediate, I did not get it to show. This is final. 616 marks out of 800 is considered to be very good mark. So congratulations to this three guys. They and their families might have invested a lot of efforts in these examinations. And also to all the students who successfully completed either CA intermediate group 1, group 2 or CA final group 1, group 2 in today's exam results. I congratulate you. My heartiest congratulations to you and to your family. And for those who couldn't clear exam, don't worry. We have one more golden attempt, that is November examinations. November 23, we'll crack the exams. I'll help you. If you are ready, seek the help from your faculty. Okay, if you want, I'll prepare study plans for you, and I'll give you, how to study, how to write the exams, how to approach, what should be preparation strategy, all these things I'll help you. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you.